Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you how to tighten and get rid of large pores. Enlarged open pores on your face can make your skin look aged and unhealthy. It can cause you acne, blackheads and uneven skin texture. To tighten those enlarged pores, four most important steps are cleansing, scrubbing, toning and moisturizing. In this video, I'm sharing 3 home remedies to get rid of those large open pores in just 3 days. The first and the most important part is cleansing and scrubbing. Here I am making one product which will do both the work in the same time. To prepare the skin cleanser and scrub, we will need 2 tablespoons of besan or gram flour and 2 tablespoons of rice flour. And we will also need some rose water to make a paste out of it. If you have normal to dry skin, then you can also use milk to make the paste. And lastly, we will need an airtight container to store our cleanser. I am adding besan and rice flour into the container and mix both the ingredients very well. Our cleanser cum scrub is ready to use. Take 1 teaspoon of the mixture and add some rose water or milk to make a paste. Apply it on your face and neck and gently rub it for 3 to 5 minutes. Then wash off with lukewarm water. You can use this cleanser 2 to 3 times in a day to wash your face. You can store this mixture for 2 to 3 months in room temperature. It contains besan, which works as a natural cleanser for our skin. It is so mild and so free, which brings a glow and brightness on your skin. Rice flour works as a mild exfoliator, which will remove the dead cells, excess dirt, impurities from your skin. It also helps to remove blackheads and lighten your complexion. After cleansing and scrubbing, the most important thing is to apply a good toner to close your open pores. And to prepare the toner, we will need 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed tomato juice, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and 4 teaspoons rose water. Add all the ingredients into a clean bowl and mix it well. Once your toner is ready, you can store it into any empty bottle and can refrigerate it up to 5 to 6 days. To apply the toner, take a cotton ball and dip it into the mixture. Then apply it all over your face and neck and let it air dry. You can apply this toner 2 to 3 times in a day after cleansing your face. Tomato juice have astringent properties which effectively reduce the size of enlarged pores. It removes excess oil from skin, minimizes the pore size, slows down the aging process and helps to repair skin very fast. Lemon juice contains natural enzymes that can firm up and tighten the facial skin. It contains vitamin C which helps in lightening the skin tone. And lastly, we are making a moisturizing and skin tightening face mask. To prepare this, we will need 1 teaspoon of Multani Mitti or Fuller's Earth powder, 1 teaspoon curd or yogurt, and rose water to make a smooth paste. In a clean bowl, add Multani Mitti powder, add curd, and some rose water. Now mix all the ingredients to make a smooth and thick paste. Once your pack is ready, apply it on your face and neck and leave it for 20 minutes. After that, wash it off with lukewarm water. Apply this pack twice in a week for best results. You can store this mixture into refrigerator up to 7 days. Fuller's Earth absorbs excess oil from skin and are great for treating large pores. It tightens the skin and reduces the pore size. It also helps to remove scars, blemishes and treat tanned and damaged skin. Curd moisturizes your skin very well, cleanses the pores, tightens the skin and impart a radiant, glowing and beautiful skin. Follow this process regularly to get rid of large pores within a few days. Apply a light, oil-free, water-based moisturizer before going to bed. Moisturizing is an essential step to get rid of enlarged pores and for having healthy and glowing skin. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. You can find the links into the description box below. Thank you for watching.